Good morning. Okay, so welcome back to another vlog.
We don't need much, as long as we're together.
Today we are going
to quad bike.
Yeah, we're doing quad biking because last week was Fransi's birthday and he turned. How old did you turn?
19. 20.
He turned 20. So I bought him some surf shorts, which I actually bought in the shopping video that I did last time, but I didn't want to like put it on the video because then he would know what it was. But yeah, I actually bought him some surf shorts, but they actually don't fit very well. So that was a bit of a fail. But because we were both working on his birthday, all we did in the night was just go for burgers at his favorite burger place, which was really nice. But yeah, it wasn't anything that we haven't done before. But I did make him a cake, so that was nice too.
Yeah.
But I actually told him on his birthday that he could choose from like 3 different things to do. So I think one was go to Nusa Penida for a couple of days, one was quad biking, and then one was jet skiing. Like I said, you choose what you want to do, and he chose quad biking. So that's what we are doing today. It's the week after his birthday, but this is our day off, so this is the only time we had to do it. So we're gonna go. We've got a driver picking us up soon at 8. I think it's like 7:30 now or something. And then we will go pick up Fransi's friend who is in Bali at the moment. He's from Finland. He's coming with us. And yeah, we're gonna show you guys our quad biking skills, or lack of quad biking skills in my case. I was debating whether to get the like tandem. That's where you go 2 people on one bike. So he would be driving, I'd be on the back. But it's like the same price if you go on your own bike, and I thought, yeah, I'd just give it a try. I've never driven a quad bike before. I can ride a scooter. I can ride a scooter on short roads. But Fransi is gonna be really good, yeah? Have you driven one before?
Not yet, the first time.
But you can drive a scooter like really well.
Yeah.
Good balancing, yeah? So we will see you when we get there.
Uh-huh. Let's go.
got back from quad biking
Quad
about
biking.
half an hour ago, and it was so good. Did you enjoy, Fransi?
I really enjoy it and I really like it. And it's a little bit hard to drive. We press the thing. We not use the, how you call that?
We're not using the handle to turn for the gas. You have to press the button in, and it was really hard on your hands. And the brakes were really far away from the handles, so like my hands are pretty small, and they got wrecked. It was so painful, but we got through it. My arms are hitting, his arms are hitting, but it was definitely worth it. It was so good.
And it's really, I don't know. It's really good.
It's really good. And the slopes were literally like that. They were so steep, and you had to hold the brakes, like literally like as hard as you could. You had to pull the brakes, and they were really hard to pull, and you had to hold it as you were like sliding down this slope. And I was trying to go as slow as I could, because like the people in front of you, if you let go of the brakes, you're literally just gonna crash into the back of them.
Yeah.
So it was really hard to keep holding the brakes while you were going down these massive slopes.
But on that, I can't take video because it's too thin.
Yeah.
I must use the
He had to
brake.
use 2 hands,
Yeah.
so he couldn't take video of that, but that's okay. We also had to go up, and when you go up, you have to go like, you have to press the button as hard as you can, and you have to go as fast as you can up the slope. And yeah, it was quite scary, because like there are like these bends and turns and everything, and you have to basically press the button full pelt. You go up, but you don't know where you're going, so you don't know if you're turning this way or you're turning this way. And they're a lot harder to handle than a scooter. They're quite chunky, so like you need more power to turn it. Especially for me, that was quite hard. But we went through these tunnels, and they were really cool. Quite dark, so it was kind of hard to see where you're going.
You're gonna see that video.
Yeah, and the tunnels were literally like the size of your bike, the size of your quad bike. So that is the size of the tunnel. So basically, if you turn in the wrong direction, you're going into the wall. I think we both went into the wall like once. But
I stopped one. They're already on the front. I still in the back. Still, like turning the bike. It's so hard.
Yeah, Francie was in the back taking videos. So thank you, Francie. But yeah, we only had one incident where we went into the wall, but you know, it was like wall, turn, and back on track. So it was fine.
And
then what was next?
We see the waterfall.
Yes, the waterfall. The waterfall was quite a small waterfall, but we like drove underneath it. So we got a little bit wet, but it was fine because it was so cool. And we actually stopped there to take some photos as well. So yeah, that was a really cool experience. Apart from going downhill, it was pretty good. Like, that was the only part I didn't particularly like. But yeah, we went across the rice fields and everything, and it was really cool. And then we had,
And then we going around on the how you call it, the water.
yeah, there was like a pool of water with a tree in the middle, and you literally like just drive circles around it. So that was really cool as well. Francie got some videos of that. But yeah, it was a really good experience. I'm glad we did it. Then after we did that, we had some lunch there. The lunch was basically fried rice or fried noodles, and they did make it vegan for me, but it wasn't very tasty. Like, it wasn't good, you know. But yeah, it was fine. We forgot to say goodbye, so we will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.
Bye.